kids, welcome to my colorful drawing school. Today I am going to draw an ice cream. Let's draw and color it together. First, I draw the delicious ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I like ice cream very much. It is very easy to draw. You can also try with me. Let's paint now. Brown. Green. Sky blue. Red. That's a colorful ice cream. Yellow. Pink. Purple. Orange. The picture is finished. See you next video. Bye.